Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Fab Mom. It's 23rd of December and it's 8 o'clock in the morning. So this is how it looks out from my window. It is a storm day. We have a big snowstorm here in Ontario and this is really horrible. So we have finished our breakfast and now I'm focusing on cleaning my bedroom right now. So I'll remove my old bed sheets and fitted sheet as well, and after that we will start cleaning up the bedroom. So I have this straps underneath my fitted sheet, my bed sheet, and this is really very helpful to keep the sheet on its place so I don't need to fix it every morning. It's quite simple for me. And after that I leave my mattress open for few time, and we will get ready for the day. I know you guys will find this comb very childish. It's my daughter's comb, but I must share with you all that this is amazing for combing wet hair. This is wet brush, and this is right now my window's condition. It is full of ice just because it's so cold outside. It's minus 28 right now, and because of that it's covering with ice. Yesterday in the evening, we received a message from the school that schools will remain closed for the day because of the weather. And right now, we can feel that yes, that was very true decision because this weather is really very harsh, and especially for the kids, it's not be safe outside. So yeah, this is the day, and that's why the kids are at home right now. My daughters are also ready for the day, and my younger one is right now busy playing with her dollhouse. She enjoys it. And my older one, she is doing some craft. She is doing it from Kids Art Hub. This is really very good YouTube channel to learn some art or craft work. So she is following some instruction and making some drawing right now. After that, I made my younger one to play some Play-Doh, and I am preparing a dressing worksheet for her. So she is also having little bit practice to write, and she can hold her pencil very nicely. So right now I made her play with Play-Doh so she will not disturb her sister. One point. With the pencil, hold it like this. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. Hold it this. Now I need to. Yes. Oh, it's amazing, Shania. This is really very simple dressing worksheet, and it just help her to hold the pencil nicely and help with little muscles. And it's 11 right now, so after that I will finish my cleanup work and will start prepping for lunch. I made very simple dal roti sabzi and rice for the lunch. After that, I would like to share a mini haul for my daughter's clothing with you all. These are the few dresses that I ordered from the children's place. So this one is the full set, and after that few t-shirts. This is very cute pink t-shirt with rainbow print on it. These are few t-shirts that I ordered from children's place. This is for my younger one as she's gonna start her play group from January after 2 weeks. So I'm just starting prepping for her play group. And this is the fourth one. it has very cute print on it. And after that I ordered two jeans. She doesn't have any jeans, and this is a elastic one. It doesn't have the buttons or anything. So, and this one is the light color, so I think it's gonna look cute on her. And this one is for my older one. She wanted this kind of dress, so I ordered this one for her. And one summer dress. This is a cute romper, so I think this gonna be very nice for her. Actually, I ordered few dresses, few t-shirts and leggings for her before few weeks. At that time I couldn't find nice t-shirts for my younger one, so this time I bought for my younger one. And this cute sweater as well. This is really very soft and she enjoys to wear it. Otherwise she doesn't like to put on any sweater at home, but this is really very cute and very soft. It's so cozy that she wants to put it on for the whole day. So right now it's 3:48 in the afternoon, and you can see still it's the same weather, and it's really very dangerous right now. We heard so many news of the accidents on the highways and everywhere. So if you guys are watching from Ontario, please be safe and take care of yourself. I'm gonna see you next time. Until then, bye, take care. And if you like my vlog, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share. Thank you so much for watching it.